the largest marine brand on the globe, Yamaha is dedicated to delivering the world's most innovative, technologically advanced and reliable personal watercraft. Every WaveRunner is pure Yamaha from stem to stern. Every hull, every deck and every engine is designed and built by Yamaha to deliver an outstanding ownership experience. Precision engineered innovations like Ride by Yamaha, Cruise Assist and No Wake Mode give drivers superior control and effortless manoeuvrability. Trusted Yamaha marine engine packages and Nano XL hull and deck technology provide time-tested performance and durability. We are number one in reliability and customer satisfaction. Number one on the race course with more World Championship titles than any other brand in history. Number one in performance. Number one in fuel efficiency. Number one in resale value. Yamaha WaveRunners offer more comfort, more luxury, more versatility, and the best price to value ratio on the water. Yamaha WaveRunners have proven time and time again to be the most reliable and lowest maintenance personal watercraft in the industry. After all, you want to spend more time riding your WaveRunner and less time maintaining it. Whether you're running full throttle across the open water or spending time with family and friends at your favourite spot, there is no substitute for the satisfaction that comes from owning a Yamaha.